when you show a joke to your dad, but he turns it into a lecture. And this post is actually about me, where I did a video on a previous post. And the original is about this. Square root of 1/2 is equal to square root of 2/2, which is pretty cool. And I also told you guys about rationalizing the denominator and how we do that. But today, just to continue, I'm actually going to give you guys something better. Check this out. I will tell you square root of 1/2. This right here is equal to the fourth root of 1/4. And depends on how you want to present it. You can also write this as 1/2 to the 1/2 is equal to 1/4 to the 1/4. Or my favorite one is 0.5 to the 0.5 power. It's equal to 0.25 to the 0.25 power. Yeah. So let's see why. In fact, you don't see this often. So check this out. Firstly, when we have square root of 1/2, the square root, it's the same as the 1/2 power. So we can write it like this. 1/2 power, and then we have the 1/2. Okay, so that explains this part. But how can we actually get this though? Have a look. What we are going to do is utilizing the rule of exponent, and I'm going to write that down right here. And that is this one. If we have some base b raised to some power m, and then raised to some power n, this is equal to b, and we can multiply the powers. M times n. Now, here's the deal. Usually we do it like this way, right? But we can, of course, do it backwards. But I don't have a lot of powers. Check this out. 1/2 is still 1/2. And then this 1/2 on the outside is still 1/2. So far so good. But what I'm going to do is, I'm going to purposely multiply a 2 with 1/2. Why? Because 2 times 1/2 is 1, so I'm not changing anything. And you will see that what I'm going to do is, this is 1/4. Yeah? That's 1/4. And this is like 2 times 1/4. I can do this backwards. I can just do the m to the base b first. So this becomes 1/2 raised to the second power first. And then that's the 1/4 power. Okay, what's 1/2 to the second power? It's just 1/2 times 1/2. So that will give us 1/4, and then we can raise that to the 1/4 power. And the 1/4 power is precisely the fourth root of 1/4. That is this. I think it's pretty cool, and you can be the next Euler if you know this. Anyways, that's it.